Good morning, Tooties. Hey, Stinky, listen, let me ask you a question. What happened to your leg? What's that noise? You want Daddy to pick you up? All right, hold on. Daddy get you. Okay. Daddy. Come on. Huh? Riley's in there? Tell me, what's this on your legs? What's that? You got boo-boos? What happened? What happened to you? Oh no. Does it hurt? Does it hurt? Oh. You want Daddy to give it kisses? Okay, Daddy get kisses in a minute, okay? And your toe got a boo-boo too? Down there?
Yeah.
What?
That one.
What is it?
Book.
You got a book? You like that book? Miley's silly, huh? I love you. Give me a kiss. You know, stinker. Give me a kiss. I want a kiss. Goof. You're silly. What are you doing? Hey, Tootie, look at Daddy. I love you. Can you say that? Your hair is all crazy. Here you go. There you go. Love you, buddy. Is that your favorite book?
Turn to the page you wish to record.
You gotta turn the page, boo-boos. There you go.
I love you stronger than the wind. I love you softer than a cloud. This
Yay.
page reminds.
Good job, boo-boos.
I love you stronger than the wind. I love.